Okay, good day everybody. Some of y'all know I've got a lot of media blasting to do, a lot of Jeep stuff for a customer, a lot of Porsche 928 stuff for a customer, and some other various small things. So in other words, I've got a big pile. Last week I was all ready to go. Lights on, everything ready, and went and pulled the trigger. Nothing happened. I did my nursing of the equipment, maintaining it, all the tricks that I've used for 20 years to keep this stuff running. I could have still used those tricks, but I said, nah, forget it. I'm going to just buy a new valve. The thing was worn out. The thing is 35 years old. So it's given me a good life. Into the trash it's going to go. Let me show you the new one right now so you can get a look at it. So here's the new valve right here. This thing had to come from Houston. There's probably not a whole lot of these in the country because they last forever. They last for many, many decades. So let me show you the old one. I'm going to put that thing on today and do a lot of the blasting that I talked about earlier. Here's the old one right here. Now inside of this right here is a piston that goes up and down, and the bore on the inside is wore out. The connecting rod that the piston rides on has an O-ring on it, but the connecting rod is worn out. The bore that the connecting rod goes into is worn out. I was putting grease around those things to seal it up, but I said I'm not going to do that anymore. Let me just get a new $600 valve, get that, and also this little diaphragm right there inside of that. Got a new one, so I'm going to put this stuff on, get this stuff back into service. As you can see, I got quite a little pile of stuff to do. And more stuff over there to do. And just get this stuff done. Okay? That's it. Have a good one. Bye-bye.